I hope you and your family are well during this first snowstorm of 2022. Of course, even better, I hope you have been spared from this ice and snowstorm. Hi everyone, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video is about what to do after the storm. You are bored. You have read, talked, laughed, and ate some. So this is what we came up with to break the boredom. It all started with discussing building a snowman, since this was a nice wet snow, but we don't have any kids at home. Then we talked about building a fort with snowballs and fighting it out. So this is how it happened. I hope you enjoy this short video.
I can't help it if they go up. I give up. I give up. Oh my God. It was a lot of fun, baby. Take that on you.
Comment below with your favorite outdoor activity in the snow, or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss the video, so smash the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first and your dream home is only a click away.